Hello, dear children. Welcome to the class. Now, today is the second session of this chapter, Measure of Dispersion. In the last class, we have learned how to calculate standard deviation in case of an individual series by actual mean method and direct method. Now, today we are going to begin with calculation of standard deviation in case of individual series by assumed mean method. So, to begin with, let's first understand and write the algorithm for calculating standard deviation in case of individual series by our shortcut method, which is also known as assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Now, since the name of this method is assumed mean, right? So what we are going to do is, as a first step, we are going to take any value of the x in the series, जो भी मुझे इंडिविजुअल सीरीज दी हुई है बेटा, उसमें से कोई भी वैल्यू x की लेके in the series, I'm going to take it as assumed mean, as a which is assumed mean. Fine. Now next step is I'll take any value of the x as assumed mean. Second step is that I'm going to calculate the deviations. We are going to find out the deviations of the items from the assumed mean and denoted by the small d. So small d is nothing but x minus a. We are going to take the deviations of all the items from this assumed mean and denoted by d. Next step is that we are going to calculate, third step, we are going to take the square of these deviations. Fine. Say, write down, calculate square of these deviations. And then the fourth step, we are going to calculate the sum of the deviations which we have obtained in step 2 and sum of square of deviations which we have obtained in step 3. Fine. And then step 5, we will apply the formula for calculating the standard deviation, which is under root of summation d square upon n, where n is the number of observation, minus summation d upon n, summation d upon n ka whole square. Now when we will apply this formula, we will get the standard deviation, and these are the steps of calculating standard deviation in case of individual series by shortcut or assumed mean method. Now let's solve this question. This is an individual series. The items are 5, 8, third item 7, fourth item 11, and fifth item 14. So n in our case is 5. Let's take 7 as assumed mean. So A is 7 and it is the assumed mean. Next step is to calculate deviations, that is small d. Deviations of the items from the assumed mean will be x minus a. So this is 5 minus 7 which is equal to -2. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. And 14 minus 7 will be your 7. Now, beta, you can take any of the assumed mean. Next step is that we are going to calculate the square of these deviations. So, -2 square is 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 4 square 16, and 7 square will be 49. Right? Now, let's take the summation of your deviations. So, summation D will be 7 plus 4, 11, plus 1, 12, minus 2 is 10. And summation of your square of deviations will be 9 plus 6, 15, 16 plus 4, 20, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7, so 70. Fine, summation D square is 70, summation D is 10. Now we'll apply the formula for calculating the standard deviation. Standard deviation is given by under root of summation D square over n minus summation D over n ka whole square. Now let's substitute the values. Now when we'll substitute the values, summation D square is 70 upon n is number of observations, number of items 5, minus summation D is 10 upon 5 whole square, and we'll take the square root of this whole. Now if I solve it, this is 2, 2 square is 4, and 70 divided by 5 is 14. So 14 minus 4 under root, which is equal to under root of 10. So the standard deviation of this series is under root of 10 is 3.16. So the standard deviation answer of this individual series is 3.16. I hope that the method of calculating standard deviation in case of individual series by shortcut method or assumed mean method is clear to everyone. Now let's recapitulate the formula for calculating standard deviation in case of individual series. First was by actual mean method, and the formula for calculating standard deviation is under root of your summation of small x square over n, where small x is nothing but the deviations of x from actual mean. And we know that actual mean is calculated as summation of x over n. Now the second method is direct method. The formula for calculating standard deviation by direct method is under root of summation x square, and x is your x variable in the series, in the given series, upon n minus mean square. Fine. Or if we expand this mean square, this formula can also be written as standard deviation is equal to under root of summation x square over n minus this mean is, we all know that summation x over n ka whole square. And assume mean method, we have just learned this method. So the formula for calculating standard deviation in case of assume mean method is under root of summation d square over n minus summation d upon n ka whole square, where small d is the deviations of x item from the assume mean. I hope that the formulas of these three methods are clear to everyone.